Hi kids, and welcome to today's Bible story with Pastor Steve and friends, and Max is my friend again. Remember, yesterday we left you on a cliffhanger. The three people, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, were tied up and they were going to be thrown into the fiery furnace. And the evil king said, make the furnace 7 times hotter than it normally is. 7 times hotter, wow, that's pretty hot, isn't it? Yes, it is. And in fact, when the guards threw Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego into the fiery furnace, those guards were killed because the furnace was so hot. Yeah, what's going to happen to Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego? I'll tell you, okay? Okay, so the evil king, he went over to the furnace, and he looked into the furnace, and he said, I thought I threw 3 people into the furnace. That's right, he did, right? Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Okay, so he threw 3 people in the furnace. He said, I see 4 people in there. Yeah, there's 4 people in the furnace, and they're not tied up. Yeah, they're not tied up, and they're walking around in there. You know, it's like a day at the beach for them in there. Yeah, that's pretty funny, isn't it? Yeah, it is. And he said, that 4th person that I see in there is like the Son of God. Yes, maybe it was Jesus in there walking, or it could also have been an angel, but it was somebody from God that was in there with them, walking with them, and keeping them safe in the fire. Can you believe that? So they came out of the furnace, and the king said, I can't even smell any smoke on your clothes. Can you believe that? Yeah. What? You don't smell any smoke on my clothes either. Well, I wasn't in the furnace, right? Right. So how about that, kids, that God could protect his people who honored him by not bowing down and worshiping that big idol. Remember how tall it was? And they were supposed to bow down and worship, and they said, no, we're not going to worship. God protected them. So if we are strong and keep believing in God, and we are steadfast that we aren't going to worship other gods and aren't going to follow other gods, God will be with us and guide us and protect us in life too. Right, Max? Right. Okay. Well, thank you, kids, for listening. And now it's time for Max to go get his banana. Banana!